All right, coming for our second set of fasteners. And I'm gonna go just like that. You can see here, this is this previous installation. These were high nailed. Our nail strike zone is underneath that seal strip, and that's something to always be wary of when doing strip shingle repairs, because it's very common. Contractors will go in the exact same nail pattern as the previous installation, even if it's incorrect, just for consistency. But we are not going to high nail here. That's something that you see a lot with why a shingle will be deemed non-repairable, because there's an increase in the bend applied to the surrounding rows because it's being high nailed. Okay, you can see there, I'm gonna make sure this camera angle is in there. That shingle just completely ripped with me trying to access this fastener. Alright, now it's through, but completely torn right there. And that is problematic because that row being compromised is what we're looking at here to determine non-repairability or repairability on this 3-tab shingle. So this is our damage row. It should be free now. Yep. That's good. So moving forward, before the installation of the new shingle, I'm going to take just a soft bristle brush, and what I'm looking at here is loose granules from surrounding shingle rows from what's transpired thus far in just removing our strip shingle before installation, because obviously there's a bend in the surrounding rows. So you can see here, I'm going to number these shingles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. On this directly above row, shingle number 2, you can see a lot of granule loss there. You can see a crease that's formed, brushing away all the loose granules on this shingle. This shingle is compromised. You can see the same thing on shingle number 3. There's a crease that's formed there, and that's just from the manipulation required to remove a shingle row, not even in the installation. You can see one forming here on shingle number 7, and that's from a 45-degree bend in just accessing the fasteners. Additionally, as you just saw right underneath this number 5 shingle, there's a tear there that happened on this shingle. So this row above, these 2 rows above, are already compromised, and what that tells me is that performing these repairs as the current coverage is written, individual shingle row replacement all across the roof assembly for more than 25 shingles, is going to add further damage to the roof, because more shingles are going to be compromised in the repair process. Therefore, the only way to return the roof to its pre-loss condition is to replace the whole roof as a system, because the roof is a system and this roof is outside of its lifespan of repair.